Hello besties, welcome once again to the Christy Sub. According to the MiCA regulation for the European Union, we have to convert all our USDT to USDC. So on Bybit, this is simply how to convert it. You click on asset, making sure all your USDT is in your funding wallet. And if it is not in your funding wallet, you simply click on transfer. Then you now transfer from unified to funding by clicking on this middle icon. Then you do the transfer. But if you already have your USDT in your funding account, which is this, you can simply convert it. So let's click on asset below your screen, not home page. On asset, you click on this convert icon, click on convert. Then you choose, making sure that the coin you want to convert USDT must be up. For here it is below. So you use this icon to bring the USDT up. You click on it. Now the USDT is now up. Then you click on maximum. I'm converting everything. So the timeline is 30th, which is tomorrow. So let's convert everything. Click on convert. And you change this BTC, change it to USDC. Click on this. Click on it. Then you search for USDC. This is it. So I want to convert. Then you impute it, the amount you want to convert. Then you click on quote. You click on quote. So for other exchanges, it might be convert, but for Bybit it's quote. Click on quote. So we want to convert USDT to USDC. Then you click on confirm. For conversion, you usually pay gas fee. It is $0.9 and our conversion was successful. Take it back and now go to your funding wallet. So now it's in USDC. So let's go and see that of Binance. So for Binance, to convert your USDT to USDC, you open your Binance, you click on trade below your screen, click on trade, then you see convert. This is convertible. Click on convert. Then you now choose what you want to convert. So let's convert this one, for example. Let's convert it to USDC. So this is it. You make sure that what you want to convert is above on top, while what you are converting to will be below. Then allow it to load. Then you click on trade. Remember, I'm converting USDT, but I just want to convert this to USDC. And you click on confirm. And it's completed. So I have my USDC. I have my USDC. You can go and check it on your wallet. So this is the USDC I just converted that coin to USDC. So this is it here. So this is simply how to convert in on Bybit and on Binance. So you can convert on Mexc and other exchanges that are operating with the European Union. Thank you very much. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and give a follow. So also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we create a video. Thank you and God bless you.